This digital small safe box can conveniently be utilized in your home or business and can also be taken along for your car or hotel during travel. It can be mounted on your wall or floor if you wish to keep it in one place. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multi-purpose. Securely store your cash, jewelry, documents, passports, heirlooms, and more in this home safe. Enjoy the peace of mind in knowing that your valuable assets and belongings are locked up safely. Number 2. LED keypad. The safe is protected with an LED keypad that can be programmed with master and guest codes 3 to 8 digits long. Equipped with 2 manual override keys, you will never have to worry about getting locked out of your safe if you forget the code. Number 3. Automatic lock. After 3 incorrect entries, the alarm will sound for 20 seconds, and after 3 more incorrect entries, it will sound for 5 minutes, alerting you to attempted theft. Number 4. Product details. Material: steel. Dimensions: exterior sad face. Length: 12.2 x. Width: 7.9 x. Height: 7.9. Wall thickness: 1.5 mm. Door thickness: 3 mm. 4 AA batteries and 2 expansion screws included. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.